What's up guys? I am Steve from Graphis Illusions. This is my first clip. In this clip I am change skin tone naturally and take blue ambient color for my video. Second video I will show you make fantasy forest color grading. In the third clip shows get faded and cinematic look for any video. This is my clip. First I am go to the curves. Take the black point and down shadows. Also up the highlights. Now go to the basic correction and down the exposure value little bit. Up the contrast value. Down the highlights for get modern look. And also up the shadows. Down blacks form right there. Up the saturation value. This is my basic color correction. Now go to the HSL secondary for select my skin. Change my HSL value and select my skin perfectly. Now up my denoise and blur value. Okay, go to the correction and push up the midtones to red color. Down the shadows and highlights value for light blue color. Also up the temperature and tint value. Perfect. Go to the curves and push down the red curve. It get blue ambient color. Go to the green curve and up midtone. Finally go to the blue curve and down the midtones. Okay, we finish the color grade now. You can see now look good at after and before. Okay, let's move to the next video. In this clip I want to show you how to get fantasy forest look. First I am go to curves. Select my black point and take more contrast. Push up highlight value. Now go to the basic correction. Take down the temperature. Up the tint value here. Also up the contrast value. Down the highlights value. Down the shadows and whites. Up the saturation. Okay, now go to the color match. Push up TH midtones to red color. Down the shadows and highlight to blue color. Nice. Now I am go to the key tab to select the road. Change my HSL value to select the road correctly. Push up the denoise and blur value. Perfect. Then go to the correction and up the midtones for red color. Down the shadows and highlights for blue color. Now you can see how looks good after and before. Go to the curves. Select the red curve and down the midpoint here. Push up the green midpoints. Finally change my blue curves. Okay, it's look good. Now go to the effects and select the crop. Change the top and bottom value for 15%. It's get more cinematic look. Look so nice. Okay, let's go to the third clip. This is my third clip. First I am go to the curves. Take my black point some faded look. Up my contrast and highlights value. Down my shadows and saturation. This is the basic color correction after and before. Now go to the color wheels and take down the midtone to light blue color. Also take down my shadows to light blue color. Push up my highlights to red color. Now go to the red curves and take down it. Take up the green curve little bit. Up my blue midpoint here. You can see now it's completely wash out my color grade. Now I am go to correct this. Up my shadows. Down my black value. Up my contrast here. Also up my highlights. Looks perfect? Now go the effects and select the crop. Now change the top and bottom value for 25%. Perfect? You can see looks good at after and before. Okay, that's end my color grading tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Many more tutorials coming up. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Stay frosty.